Welcome to Adnova Healthcare. Established in 2015, Adnova Healthcare manufactures pharmaceutical dosage forms from its WHO GMP certified 30,000 square feet facility located in Vadodara, Gujarat, India. Our certifications reflect the highest standards of compliance and quality. Our modern work environments support collaboration, strategic focus, and continuous learning, reflecting the precision and professionalism that drive our success. The video provides a walkthrough of the facility. The ground floor houses the storage and process areas, while the first floor accommodates administration, quality control, and the service areas. Facility entry is controlled. All personnel follow defined entry procedures. Personnel enter production areas through designated change rooms and personnel airlocks, following the gowning procedures appropriate to the area classification. Access to personnel to different areas is restricted based on authorization levels. Company is fully equipped with fire safety infrastructure to ensure the highest level of protection for personnel and assets. Access control systems ensure only authorized personnel can enter designated areas. Materials are received at the warehouse dock and stored in designated warehouse areas under controlled environmental conditions. Material status is identified using approved labeling systems. From material receipt to dispatch, every step is controlled through ERP software. The QC person performs sampling under RLAF for testing. After sampling details are entered in the software, a yellow under-test label is placed on the container. Upon QC release, material is moved to the approved RM area with green approved label. The approved RM store is maintained under controlled temperature and humidity. Temperature mapping has been done. Hotspots are identified, labeled, and monitored with digital thermohygrometers. Dispensing activities are performed in designated areas under controlled environmental conditions. Materials are weighed and verified against approved batch manufacturing records. Each dispensing activity is documented and performed under reverse laminar airflow. All rooms are equipped with differential air pressure meter to monitor pressure difference between adjoining area. Each room has dedicated personnel and material airlocks. Manufacturing operations are performed according to approved procedures and documented in batch manufacturing records. All materials for granulation pass through the multi-mill, sifter, blender, RMG, and FBD. Granules are tested for in-process checks. Tablet compression is carried out in controlled areas using qualified equipment. In-process controls are performed at defined intervals to ensure product quality attributes meet specifications. The tablets then pass through the deduster to remove excess powder and the metal detector to eliminate metal contamination. Tablets are tested at regular intervals for IPQC, weight variation, hardness, friability, disintegration, and appearance. We have a digital hardness tester for precisely measuring tablet hardness. Tablet coating is carried out using auto coater in controlled areas using qualified equipment. In-process controls are performed at defined intervals to ensure product quality. Adnova status label outside each in-process room display product, batch, and its status, or shows no activity when idle. Adnova operates a fully automatic bottle filling line for powders. Designed for efficiency, it runs with minimal human intervention, ensuring accuracy, hygiene, and compliance at every step. Adnova runs a fully automatic capsule filling line with online weight monitoring and automatic fill weight adjustment. Defective capsules are rejected online. An integrated polishing system delivers clean, finished capsules. The process ensures high accuracy, minimal wastage, and overall GMP compliance. In the tablets or capsules inspection room, the products move along the inspection belt and are visually inspected from all sides. Only flawless units proceed to packing. The primary packaging area consists of 5 packing lines housed in pressurized rooms to prevent cross-contamination. Equipment includes blister packing machines, Alu PVC and Alu, and strip packing machines, while IPQA verifies leak integrity, print matter, and count accuracy prior to operation. Machine is fully automated with an online camera system that rejects any kind of defective strip. A dedicated leak test room ensures online leak test procedures are followed to confirm strip integrity. Secondary packaging operations are performed in designated areas with line clearance conducted prior to initiation. Batch packaging records are followed and critical parameters such as coding and labeling are verified. Finished products are inspected and reconciled before release to finished goods storage. Dedicated HVAC systems for each production area ensure strict environmental control and prevent cross-contamination. Adnova has a qualified validated water system. This includes continuous loop line to supply pharma-grade purified water to all required areas. The air compressor with installation of all required filters ensure oil and moisture-free dry air to production area. QC has designated areas for documentation and record keeping. The designated room for HPLC houses 4 HPLCs and UV spectrophotometer. The physico-chemical lab is used for chemical testing and dissolution testing. The retained samples room stores samples of each batch under lock and key until expiry plus 1 year, accessible only to authorized personnel. Stability chambers are designed to stimulate climatic conditions as per the ICH guidelines for Zone 4 conditions, with separate chambers for accelerated and real-time stability. The microbiology testing section is accessed through 2 airlocks with strict gowning procedure. Testing is performed under laminar airflow, ensures our environment, water, and product is free from microbial contamination. Dedicated rooms support media preparation, autoclaving, the samples are sent through a pass box and incubation. The quality assurance function oversees compliance with good manufacturing practices. Responsibilities include review of batch manufacturing and packaging records, deviation management, change control, and product release. Only batches approved by quality assurance are released for distribution. Adnova, driven by compliance, defined by quality. Adnova Healthcare Private Limited, a new dimension to life.